Another day in the woods. And we got the supposedly Dakota fire pit going here. You can see flame up there. And that's
water on the bottom.
Water, but it's an air intake. It's a huge air intake. And it's going. Like, wow, it's actually very nicely going. We just threw some ambers in there, and then embers from that, and then threw a couple pieces of wood, and it actually lit up pretty quick. And you can see that it's actually a nicely fueled fire. Wow, that was quick. I didn't expect it to be so good.
Guys, you know how like you eat asparagus and this end is like really hard and gross? Well, the way you can just cut them all flat, right? You just cut them all off, but then you gotta know if you're cutting out the hard part or the soft part. So let the asparagus tell you, there's a trick. You get the asparagus, you hold it on both ends, you bend it, and where it snaps, this is the hard part, it's the soft part. Do it again, you just grab them both ends, bend, snaps right there, perfect spot.
Wow, you're snapping off a lot of asparagus there, though.
But this is the gross hard part on the end.
You sure?
Yeah.
Is that far up?
Yeah, think about it. If you cook it, you know, you eat half of it and the rest of it.
We should try to cook a couple of these on the side just to see.
You can. But this is usually what you actually have to cook.
Well, you should have done that in the store. Leave that part behind. All right, well, the pork chops are ready. They smell so good. Look at that golden color and everything. Some more asparagus. Gonna keep them warm. We have Stumpton coffee. We've got all sorts of goodness. Cinnamon rolls, homemade, wrapped up in there. Oh yes. And we're gonna shoot a review of a jacket today. It's the niche jacket right there. You guys will see that. It's a nice little jacket that we got for a review. Well, here we are. Well, another day in paradise. Okay, sorry I couldn't handle that. That's like looks like chicken.
Yeah, it's super soft. Even my big fat knife has no problem cutting through it. Look at it's like oozing. Look at that juice.
Okay, if anybody's hungry right now, they're not gonna like watching this because they're gonna be like salivating. And some asparagus to come.
Yep.
Yeah.
My culinary.
Oh, look at this. Vlad's expertise is shown once again in these fabulous pork chops. The butter sauce and all. Vlad, you should present this like officially, like a chef, you know, be like, this presented with like da-da-da. All right, we're gonna keep it warm over there.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's ready. Look at that. Oh man, the colors, the smells. Anyway, today was just a day that we decided during this coronavirus quarantine to go out and just have a good little day out here in the morning and have some food and just relax. So what are you guys doing during the quarantine? Let us know in the comments below.
Man, we are digging in. This stuff is just so good.
So you just like dip it in that sauce like that? Look at that.
It's so tender.
So this is the pork chops from Butcher Box. Man, these are.
Look at that little sear on there, that crust.
And then in the sauce after they were fried, just steamed some asparagus. Fried and steamed, right? They're like just barely.
Roasted them up a little bit and then, yeah. Look at all this juice.
So tasty. Ridiculous.
Yeah, look how tender, like, just cut it with the fork. You can just like break it with the fork. It's like so soft.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's some good stuff right here.
In a restaurant, this meal right here would be like $75.
I don't know about that, but it is quite good. Nice.
Hey. How's it going over there? You're like chilling like a pea in a pod. It actually looks like that too. Guys, she's fallen asleep. We're done eating all of our food. Shot a review, and it's time to get out of here.
Yeah. Thanks for coming out here with us. It was a blast. It's good to revisit the original Bushcraft spot. It's been a while since we've been here. But yeah, thanks for coming out and enjoying our time here, our awesome meal. And don't forget to praise God for all of this amazing beauty and everything else too that we get in life. So.
And that you don't have coronavirus yet.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.